In our health alert tonight, gluten-free foods can be found just about everywhere, and many people, including well-known celebrities, are still touting the gluten-free diet.
But it turns out this trendy diet really isn't for everyone. Our chief health editor, Dr. Nandi, joins us now. And Dr. Nandi, what are the risks?
So Glenna, many people see this as a way to lose weight, but a diet without gluten can definitely have a downside. And one of the main concerns is not getting enough nutrients, plain and simple. When you eat processed wheat products like bread and cereals, they're often fortified with iron or B vitamins, and that's something gluten-free substitutes may not have. They may also not have as much fiber, a nutrient that way too many of us Americans are not already getting enough of. Also, quite a few gluten-free products tend to have more sugar and fat, as this helps them taste better. Plus, they can have just as many calories as their wheat equivalents, so this could interfere with dropping extra weight. So a lot of things to consider.
All right, so who needs to go gluten-free, doctor?
So Dave, the gluten-free diet was actually created for those who have celiac disease, gluten intolerance, or insensitivity, a condition where gluten, which is a protein found in wheat, rye, and barley, causes trouble by damaging the lining of the small intestine. Now, this can prevent nutrients from being absorbed and lead to issues like osteoporosis, nerve damage, and infertility. Now, I have plenty of people who've told me that, you know what, they don't have celiac disease, but they feel better after going gluten-free. And that's really likely because you're eating healthier than they were before, avoiding simple white carbs like cookies, cakes, and pasta, and that's why they feel better.
Oh, so what should you do if you still want to eat gluten-free, but you don't need to?
So Glenda, if you really want to cut out gluten, my prescriptions. First, don't replace gluten foods with packaged gluten-free products. Instead, choose what we always recommend: fresh fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, and gluten-free whole grains. Secondly, be sure you're getting enough fiber. Awesome options include my favorite: quinoa, amaranth, brown rice, and millet. And also, always read those labels. That way you know what you're replacing your gluten with, and make sure it's not unhealthy sugar and fat. And finally, be careful not to fill up on too many rice products. The FDA is actually monitoring them for small amounts of arsenic, which could, long-term exposure of this could link to certain cancers and heart disease. So you just want to be informed to understand that just because celebrities are doing it, it may not be the right option for you.
Important information as always, doctor. We appreciate you bringing it to us.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Doc. And if you have a question or health concern for the good doctor, you can email him at Dr. Nandi at askdrnandi.com or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter, and we'll get it right to him.